Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OVHcloud VPS for production workloads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your OVHcloud VPS for production workloads, begin by navigating to the OVHcloud website. Log in to your OVHcloud account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, go to the VPS section of your dashboard. Select Order to choose the type of VPS that fits your production needs. Review the available options and select a plan that meets your requirements. Customize your server's resources, such as CPU, RAM, and storage if necessary. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Next, review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. If you're satisfied, click on Continue to Checkout. Fill in the necessary billing information. Choose your payment method and complete the transaction. After the payment is processed, go back to your dashboard. Locate your newly created VPS in the My Services section. Click on the VPS to access its management panel. Here, you will find options to configure your server settings. To activate your VPS, click on the Power button. Once the VPS is powered on, access the console or SSH into the server. For SSH access, note the public IP address provided for your VPS. Use your preferred SSH client to connect to the server using the provided IP. Input your username and password when prompted to gain access. After logging in, update your server by running system updates using the appropriate command. Install necessary software packages required for your production workload. Configure your firewall settings to enhance security. Ensure that your server is optimized for the specific applications you plan to run. Monitor your server's performance and resource usage regularly. Once configured, your OVHcloud VPS is ready for production workloads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.